In lesson 2.5, we are learning how to estimate with double digits when we're devising. So notice we have two digits here, and we're learning how to estimate in this division process. So the first thing that I do is I round my divisor. I round the number that has two digits right over here. So 42 looks like it's going to go to 40. So because the 2 tells me to go down. So I'm going to round that to 40. And now I'm going to set up my problem and round my other number. I'm going to round it up and I'm going to round it down. Now the trick is I need to think of a number that can be divided by 4 because 4 is going to be involved with my basic fact. Well, looking at 396, I see that that rounds to 400, and 400 is pretty easy to divide by 4. Because I can look at the digits that are not zeros and say 4 divided by 4 is 1, and then I can cross out 1 0 for 1 0, and I have 1 0 left over, so 400 divided by 40 is 10. Now that's the high estimate, because we took 396 and we rounded up. Now I want to round down, and I gotta think, what number can be divided by 4 if I round 396 down to a compatible number? Well, I'm looking here at 40, and if I go 4 down from 40, I hit 36. Whoa, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So if I divide 360 by 40, cross off my 0, cross off my 0, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So my high estimate is 10, my low estimate is 9. Really the trick in this is thinking of multiples of 4. And if I think of multiples of 4, I know that I'm dealing with 39. And multiples of 4 include 32, 36, 40, 44. These are my winners because they're the closest to my number here. Let's do another one. If I have 7,973 divided by 91, I need to round high and I need to round low. First, I look at my divisor and I say, I'm going to round that to 90 because 1 rounds down. So I have a high estimate. Now I look at 7, and 7 can't be divided by 9, so I look at 79. 79, that is close to, and now I start thinking of multiples of 9. I know that 7 times 9 is 63, that's not close. 8 times 9 is 72, I'm getting closer. 9 times 9 is 81, and then 10 times 9 is 90. Well, look at that. This is smack dab in the middle between 72 and 81. So I'm going to be using 8 times 9 and 9 times 9 as my facts. So I'm going to get rid of this right here. And let's change this to 8,100. Notice my 81. I have that right there. So 8,100 divided by 90. I can cross off a 0, and then I have 81 divided by 9, which is 9, and then I have extra 0. So 8,100 divided by 90 is 90. That's my high estimate. Now I need to do my low estimate. So I'm going to look at this number right here, and I have 7,200, or 7,200, divided by 90. Notice I keep 90 the same. So 7,200 divided by 90, cross off a 0, cross off a 0. 72 divided by 9 is 8, and then I have my extra 0. It's 80. So my high estimate is 90, my low estimate is 80. The real answer is probably going to be in the 80s somewhere. I hope this helps.